What's going on, guys? Oh, it is a glorious day. Finally, sunshine, heat. Not terrible heat. It's not bad. It's like, I don't know, 70, 75. That's what it feels like. It feels really hot though, since it has been like 30 degrees. But how you guys doing? We are doing a top speed. What are you doing with your hand, girl? What's going on? We're doing a top speed run on the Ruckus today. So excited for it. If you missed the past few videos, Ryan from the Ruck Shop came out here and helped me get everything fixed on the Ruckus. We installed a new performance cam, got everything dialed in, tuned it, and it is running like a champ. Starts on the first press, idle is spectacular. So I'm really excited. I think that this thing is finally gonna hit 70. So that's the project for today. Well, not project, that's the goal. Gonna take this thing out for a ride and hopefully hit that top speed. If you're not following Ryan yet, Ryan, thank you for coming out.
Anytime, you're welcome.
Ryan leaves today, so sad times, but I'm probably gonna let him go take a ride on this thing. Oh, you are so heavy now. He's like, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, hi. So first things first, we're gonna see if this thing will start up, cold start without the choke on. Haven't run it since yesterday. Normally, this thing would need the choke on no matter what, and it would need it on for a couple minutes. But we're gonna see if it does it without it. First try. Oh!
Should get on my gas, but it's cold.
It's not gonna do it. Are you giving it an artificial choke? Dude, that's insane.
15-20 seconds and it's good.
What do you think, huh? What do you think of that? So we're gonna let it get warmed up, and then we're gonna go and do some test drives on this thing. Try to get ourselves a new top speed. Dude, it feels so good. It's so freaking smooth. And we filled up the tires. Oh, it feels so much better. All right, I'm using DigiHud. That's the app that I'm using for speed. Dude, I'm doing a casual 40 right now. That's what this thing does stock with the 49cc. All right, just gonna casual up here. 50, and I'm going uphill right now, y'all. All right, 60. 64.2 on the uphill, 65, 65.5, 65 on an uphill. Not bad, not freaking bad at all. Let's do a turnaround and we'll try the reverse direction. Dude, 65 on an uphill, and it was holding that. That's what it would do before on a downhill. 36, 40, 45, 50, 55, 58, 60, 65, come on baby, 67, flattening out, no, come on, come on, oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna get that 70. See, okay, I didn't hit 70. I wanted to hit 70. We're gonna try this again later today. I'm gonna let Ryan give it a ride. His flight's pretty soon, so I wanted him to get out on it first, but It's so smooth, like the power delivery, and it just holds that speed. All right, we're gonna do one more run. Let's see how fast I can get up to 40. 40. Oh, jeez. The acceleration is freaking there. I think I can squeeze 70. $68.
68.
But it held 65 on an uphill. Like, held it.
Yeah.
So, and it's so smooth.
It's good now? Yeah.
It feels so good. It didn't hit 70, but it feels really good.
There's one more trick we can do. It feels good.
Yeah, it does.
Just that little stretch, I didn't even go the whole way like up the hill you did.
Yeah.
And that little stretch I did 68.5.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What? 68.5. It's my weight.
It's the way. Because
It's because I'm so fat.
if I went a little bit further and I wasn't going like this,
I guess I've been getting too many gains. That's why I got the electric impact, because I wanted to lose some of the gains I'd accumulated from using the hand ratchet. All right, well, I'm probably gonna ride it more today after I take Ryan to the airport. I'm gonna hit 70 by the end of the day. If it's the last thing I do. I don't care if I have to go naked. Somehow I'm gonna do it.
6.5 hours later.
What's going on, guys? So I took Ryan to the airport, and man, this was a good weekend. I'm so happy. We did everything that we wanted to do. All went according to plan. The Ruckus is back, and I'm gonna take it for a ride night now. The sun is going down really, really fast. My dad called me, so I got on a call with them and lost track of the time, and now it's, you know, practically sunset. Like, I'm gonna go out and it's gonna go down in like 5 minutes. So we're gonna go out, gonna try to hit 70. We'll see. Ryan, we talked a little bit on the way to the airport, and he thinks that he could pretty easily hit about 72, 73. And what we're gonna do is, because I'm a heavier guy than he is, he's gonna send out some heavier weights to put in to the bike, and we're gonna try those out. Hopefully squeeze out a couple more, help me hit 70, and yeah, the bike runs outstanding. So I'm not gonna mess with it at all. We're gonna keep it as it is, ride it like this for a while, and down the road, he's got some more ideas for getting more power out of this. I'm gonna go get on my helmet and let's go out there. Alrighty, gonna go get some new gas first. Not a little bit of weight, but should freshen things up a little bit. Alrighty, let's go. Ah, freaking love it. Ride's so nice. Dude, I'm as low as this freaking Lotus right now. Let's go get some gas. Been a hot minute since I actually filled this thing up. Here we go, boys. Oh, never mind. More crowded than I thought right now. All right, let me try this back road. I might just have to hit the troll road, y'all. I might just have to. Oh, jeez. Road back here sucks. All right. toll road time. Dude, this freaking, it just settles back into an idle so easily. I cannot thank Ryan enough, dude. Freaking Ryan in the Ruck Shop, freaking great guys. If you need any Ruckus parts, that's where y'all need to go. I'll link all the stuff that we put onto the bike down in the description this weekend. And if you haven't seen the build series, I highly recommend it. All right, here we go, boys. Hitting the toll road on the Ruckus. It's so friggin' windy. 71.4, baby! Yes! Yes! Oh, we did it! We freaking did it! I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Oh my god! Oh, 71.4. I'm so ecstatic, y'all. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you to my mom and dad. Time to make this thing hit 75. Alright, well that was a good run. I'm gonna head home. Call it a day. I'm so happy. Jeez, like I can't express it. This is definitely, I love this thing. I love this bike. Well, that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of the videos this week. I had an awesome time. You guys have Ruckus vlogs to look forward to finally. So if you have anything that you wanna see, let me know in the comments and I'll try to make that happen. The Ruckus was outstanding. Not a single issue tonight. Starting it, taking it out, stopping, restarting, just no problems whatsoever. Perfect, incredible. I love it. I'm so happy. I hope you guys are too. Ruckus is back. It's not going anywhere, guys. I'll be at the next Cars and Coffee. I think it's March 11th. I'm not positive. I don't even know where it is. Again, there's some sort of drama going on with Cars and Coffee in Austin and where they're hosting it. But yeah, I'll try to be there. Otherwise, I might just make a spontaneous meetup or something like that. If you want to hear about those, subscribe to my newsletter. I'll link that down in the description and you'll get notified first. That's gonna be it, guys. If you want to get any of my merch, key tags, shirts, wristbands, stickers, prints, all of it, motonosity.com/shop. I'll link that down below. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subbed yet to get notified of all the videos we got coming out soon. And remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life living. I'll see you guys tomorrow.